Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Fossil Grant Chronograph Watch. This particular movement only features the time only, so we do not have a date complication, but we have a subdial for military time. So here on the right side we have a subdial that goes up to 24, and this is going to be in sync with the time on the display. So if I pull the crown to the last position and rotate the watch hands, you will see that this small watch hand also rotates. So if I reach 12 right now, it will show me that it is 12 a.m. And if I keep on going, it will arrive at 24, which is going to mean 12 p.m. So this is how you will know the difference between AM and PM. So when setting the time, what you want to do is to also make sure that you correctly align the subdial right here. So let's say that I want to make it 5 or 6 a.m. I'm going to leave it just like this. So it is now 6 a.m. In case I want to make it 6 p.m., I'm going to go past 12 o'clock and then I'm going to arrive right here at 6 p.m., where in our case 18 would be right here. In order to finalize the process, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and voila, I have set the time on my Fossil Grant Chronograph Watch. In case your Fossil watch features a date complication or a date complication, here on the right at 6 o'clock, it doesn't matter. I have a different tutorial with how to set the time and date on this particular model, because there is going to be a small difference. Also guys, I'm going to post a full guide with all the functions and features of the Fossil Grant, so how to use the chronograph and also how to align it in case it is misaligned after, let's say, magnetism or battery replacement. Speaking of which, I'm also going to make a tutorial on how to replace the battery and also how to adjust the bracelet on this particular model, and I'm going to leave the links in the description box below in case you want to check them out. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel, and also make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.